Hello, Evaluation Spring EDTC class. Coming to you online with the University of Texas Rio Grande Valley, this is Melissa Sadler-Nitu from San Antonio, Texas, presenting to you today Chapter 6, Brinkerhoff's Success Case Method, based on Guerra-Lopez Performance Evaluation, Research Methods for the Social Sciences, page 75. The book that you see here is the cover of Brinkerhoff's book on the Success Case Method. According to Nick Davies on the ThinkEye website, Rob Brinkerhoff defines his Success Case Method, SCM, as a low-cost, high-yield evaluation, which draws a comparison between the most successful and the least successful cases whenever a change is implemented. When evaluating training, participants scoring highest and lowest are interviewed regarding their performance, and responses are qualitatively recorded for reporting purposes. To quickly understand the key elements of Brinkerhoff's SCM model, keep in mind the following. First, this can be a good choice for evaluators that are interested in organizational change development. Second, the Brinkerhoff's method uses a qualitative approach to reviewing professional development and/or training provided in an organization that is designed to increase employee outcomes. Finally, the method focuses specifically on training components, using personal interviews on the outliers, meaning outside the average score, the high and low, or the tails of the slope scores of the training. From Chapter 6, quote, Brinkerhoff's views on evaluation, 1981, closely resemble Stake's responsive evaluation model, 1975, and to a lesser extent, Patton's utilization-focused evaluation, 1997. Brinkerhoff believes that if evaluations reflect the purposeful requirements of stakeholders, the likelihood increases that the information gathered will be used. As a quick side note, responsive evaluation is an evaluation approach developed by Robert E. Stake. This approach enables teams to evaluate the educational value by comparing the activity, the program uniqueness, and the social diversity of the people. And Patton, 1997, explains that utilization-focused evaluation begin with the premise that evaluations should be judged by their utility and actual use. Therefore, evaluators should note everything that is done from beginning to end to affect its use. What is the success case model? First, it is designed to be completed in a short time frame. Other evaluation models have been criticized for their long process that can be inefficient, costly, worse, can reveal little about the target improvement. Second, it can provide concrete evidence from training. By using qualitative interview approach, the responses can speak specifically to parts of the training and why it is good or not. Interviewees can be identified and re-questioned if necessary. Finally, interviews and case study models are relatively low cost and provide high yield evaluations and reports for their client. A success case method study can be used to answer any or all of the following questions. What is really happening? What results, if any, is the program helping to produce? What is the value of the results? How could the initiative be improved? One real-world example that pertains to some of the work I've been incorporating into my dissertation is suggested from contributing authors of Better Evaluation, McFarland and McGinnis. The abstract reads, no educational method or combination of methods will facilitate implementation of clinical practice guidelines in all clinical contexts. To develop an empirical basis for aligning methods to context, we need to move beyond does it work to also ask what works for whom and under what conditions. This study employed success case method to understand how 3 performance improvement CME activities contributed to the implementation of tobacco cessation practice guidelines in 9 outpatient practices. This comes from the Journal of Continuing Education in the Health Professions. Original research peering inside the clock using success case method to determine how and why practice-based educational interventions succeed. Dr. Curtis Olson, Dr. Mariana Shevena, and Dr. Michelle Horowitz-Brownstein. Advice from the field. There are many sites that offer tools and advice from the field. This advice is provided by Better Evaluation regarding success case method. When we can use SEM when you know the long-term objectives of your program and you have identified your program activities, but you do not know the causal pathway from activities to impact. 2, when you can identify both the program participant and at least one individual who oversees their work and can vouch for both the participants' actions and the outcomes of these actions. And 3, when the M&E team can be given authority to directly communicate with and collect data from both the participant and the supervisor subjects. This concludes my presentation on Brinkerhoff's success case method. And here are some of the excellent references used for this presentation. Thank you for listening.